Hello people, welcome to People Series. And yes, what you are seeing now is absolutely true. Using a GORILLAPOD, we can use DSLR for self shooting like this. And what you are seeing now is exactly an experiment which I have done, but be careful while doing this. Yes, if the tree has no rough surface, then the GORILLAPOD cannot withstand on the tree. So please be aware of that. There are many types of GORILLAPODs, but why did I purchase only this? Because it has no joint to attach a DSLR or camera. Yes, see, you can see there is a screw to which we directly attach a DSLR or mobile. See, there is no extra joint, but when you see some other GORILLAPODs, there will be a joint in between DSLR and the stand, which is very dangerous because if the joint gets damaged, the DSLR may fall. So I preferred this without any joint. So now the DSLR is mounted directly to the screw so that there is no mediator in between the stand, GORILLAPOD, and the DSLR. As my camera is a mirrorless camera, I used an adapter. So you can see a mediator between the pod and the DSLR. And also, this pod can withstand 200 lens weight. Yes, as you see, right? But when you attach to a tree or any lightweight rods or anything, so be aware that whether it can withstand 200 lens weight. You can see we can use this GORILLAPOD single-handed and shoot videos, and we can also do selfie vlogs. As you see, I feel it very comfortable and handy, so I prefer going for a GORILLAPOD in cheap and best price. But if you feel that it is risky for your DSLR, which is heavy budget, right? So then you may go for 2000 or 3000 rupees budget. Yes, it is also very easy to remove, as you see, and I feel it very comfortable, and I prefer you to buy this GORILLAPOD. Yes, I also suggest you to choose a 50 lens or short lens which are lightweight while using GORILLAPOD, because if you use a heavyweight lens starting from 200 lens, you feel like you are risking something, so you cannot get into a mood of photography. So instead of that, going for a lightweight lens make you more comfortable while shooting. So if you like my review, please subscribe and encourage me. Thank you for watching the complete video, and this is the review of Yantralaya GORILLAPOD. Thank you.